Okay, just stop. Before you spend another few hundred hours tweaking the colors of your Kajabi website, you need to hear this. You can have the most beautiful website in the world, but if you're making the mistakes of almost 99% of other entrepreneurs out there, you'll never get any leads or any sales. The truth is, top creators on Kajabi don't just have a pretty website, they have a strategic client generating machine. And in today's video, I'm going to pull back the curtain on some of these successful websites and share best practice with you and practically hand you their playbook. So we're going to reverse engineer some of the top Kajabi sites in line with 5 strategic pillars to see what's working. So by the end of this video, you're going to have a complete framework so you can go and audit your own site and make it not just pretty, but fit for purpose. So where do we find these top Kajabi sites? Well, funny old thing, we find them on kajabi.com. I'm just going to jump over into there now. Okay, so here we are on kajabi.com. So you can either just Google Kajabi or head to kajabi.com, and it showcases quite a few creators on their homepage. But if you wanted to go and analyze their websites, you can simply head up to the banner here, click resources, and then just click creator stories. Now, a lot of these creators have been interviewed by Kajabi, work closely with Kajabi, and Kajabi have actually done stories on a whole bunch of people here. So you've got 10 pages of creators who use Kajabi in one form or another for their online business. It could be their website, it could be their membership, it could be the courses, it could be checkout, anything to do with the online business. They are using Kajabi. A lot of these people are what I would call Kajabi purists, using Kajabi for everything, like me. Some of them just use it for the front end, some of them use it for their training sites. So what I've done is I've gone through and selected 5 sites that we can reverse engineer in line with 5 principles that I'm going to detail to you now. And so the first creator that I'm going to have a look at is a creator called Roberto Blake. And what I'm going to look at is ironically not the website itself, but actually the ecosystem. So it is not a case of build your website and they will come. It's a case of build your website and then direct some traffic to that website. So I know Roberto has some really good content on his YouTube channel. So he is a YouTube content creator and that drives everything to his Kajabi site. So this is his Kajabi site, and this is the first principle that I want to touch on. Yes, it's a great Kajabi site, but the amount of traffic that this creator is driving to this site allows him to then convert viewers into customers. And as you can see here, his messaging is super clear. It's enroll today. You can click on enrollment, and then he's going to be talking about his awesome Creator Academy. He's got a video there, enroll now, and he's got a few membership options. But by the fact that this creator is doing so well, he is driving a lot of traffic to his Kajabi site. Now, the next creator we're going to have a look at is Lauren Bateman. She plays a guitar. She's a guitar teacher, and she has built her site on Kajabi. Now, the second pillar that I'm going to be looking at is what I call a 3-second mandate. So when somebody lands on your homepage, they've got to be asking themselves like 3 questions. Like, what is this product or service? Who is it best suited for? And then where to go to actually get this product or service. So it's super clear here that on Lauren's homepage, it's guitar learning. Anyone who wants to learn guitar, you can get your free course here. So you can go click on that call to action button, and then she's just capturing email and name. And so you can start your free course. So it's anyone who wants to learn guitar training or learning is the thing, and then it's really quick and simple for people to sign up and log into this free program. The next creator we're going to have a look at then is Jenny. Jenny is the founder of Jenny J Fitness. So going onto her site, this is her Kajabi site. It's super clear and super clean. And the third pillar really is, does this site have a clear core offer? Now, I like this site because it is so clean. Yes, there are some navigation tabs at the top, but this is the main message is lose weight and keep it off for good. So it's really clear in that message. And the offer is start here. So if we were to start here, it opens up a pop-up and it's grab your free guide. So people could actually position a low ticket offer like Roberto, or people could position a free opt-in product. So this is grab your free guide. So if I wanted the guide, get my top trainer tips to start your health and fitness journey today. If I wanted that, I could then opt in, first name and email, and I'd get a copy of this guide. So you don't have to necessarily sell something. You could position a free opt-in product, but the offer is super clear on this site. So the next creator I'm going to be looking at is Kim Perry. So again, another fitness coach and founder, and I'm going to go over to her website. Now this again is another Kajabi website. And the fourth pillar I'm going to be looking at is, does this design build trust? Does this have the look and the feel of something that I want to be part of? Whereas the last pillar was all about functionality. Can you actually opt into something or purchase something? This is all about more the design and the look and the feel. So I really like how slick this is. I like the colors. I like the design. Again, it's really clean and clear, but also this design, it just shouts a bit of a premium product and service for me. So if this site, product or service resonated with you, then you're more likely to actually opt in to what this person has to offer. And so the last creator I'm going to look at here is Nigel. He teaches saxophone. He's founder of Sax School. So I'm going to click over to his Kajabi website. This is his Kajabi homepage. And the fifth pillar really is the intentional journey. So do you lead people or prospects who land on your homepage through a bit of a journey? So if I was to scroll down here, it's a good look, good feel. It's quite functional. There's a start free trial. But then if I was to go and click on about, he's done a really, really good job of sharing his story. And he's got a nice timeline on here, which you could read all about Nigel and what he does, what he's done in the past, what he does now, his team. And it also gives you an option to start my 14-day trial now. Now, I like this because when you get to the end of a page, you're not left hanging. There's always another button to actually go through and click. This is start my 14-day free trial. And then again, scrolling down, start the trial. This will open up and you can start for 14 days. You can either start on the monthly or the annual. So that was the customer journey from homepage all the way through to the story and then landing on his offer. So it's a really nice transition from people landing on the homepage and then either going to checkout or even opting in for a free product or service. So those 5 core pillars again, then the ecosystem, like have you got a landing page that you are driving traffic to on a regular basis? Then it's like the 3-second mandate. What is this product or service? Who is it for? And then where do I go to get that? The next one is then, is this a clear core offer where whether it's an opt-in product, you're just collecting emails, or you're positioning something for a low ticket sale? Then does the design build trust? Am I wanting to hand over my email or my money to this individual? And then is the journey intentional? So as people are navigating around your website, they're not either getting a 404 error or they're not going to the bottom of a page and there's no next step. So with this in mind, have a look at your homepage and just do a reverse audit on your homepage and see how you fare against those 5 core pillars. But if you're right at the start of your journey and you haven't even tried Kajabi yet, I have a special gift for you. I can get you 30 days free trial on the Kajabi platform if you wanted to take it for a spin. That's over double the original free trial that you can get available to the public, which is 14 days. And I've got some bonuses for you. All you need to do is head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Have a look at the bonuses on that page. If you sign up to Kajabi using my link, it is an affiliate link. All that means is if you continue to be a paying customer of Kajabi, part of your payment comes back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. But if you do sign up to Kajabi using my link, as a thank you from me, I'm going to automate you a program. It's called Kajabi Unboxed. Right away, go check your email after you've signed up. This is what I would do first, second, third, and fourth if I was to unbox a Kajabi account today. And if you continue over the 30-day free trial and become a paying member of Kajabi like me, as a second thank you from me, just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, and I'll automate you another program. It's called Kajabi Sales Page Templates. All that is free templates from me. You can download them and upload them into your Kajabi account so you can make more sales. So that link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Check out that landing page, see what I'm offering there. And I'd love to know in the comments down below if you've audited your account and how you fared against these 5 core pillars. And I look forward to seeing you on the very next video.